Hey friends, we are at week 20 of cycle 1, and today we're going to start with math. So we are finishing our geometry song today, where we are talking about the areas of different shapes, and today we're actually going to talk about the circumference of a circle. You ready? Let's do the whole song. The area of a rectangle equals length times width. The area of a square equals the length of its side squared, side squared. The area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. The area of a circle equals pi times the radius squared. The circumference of a circle equals 2 times pi times the radius. Very good. Next, we're going to do our science. What are some parts of the atmosphere? This is to the tune, The Wheels on the Bus. You ready? What are some parts of the atmosphere? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere, exosphere. We are doing Latin, a third declension noun endings for the last time this cycle. And remember, when we're doing our singular, we hold up one hand. We help do our fingers like this for various, and then for two hands for plural. You ready? Various is E-M-E, various is E-M-E, various is E-M-E, singular third declension, ace, ibis, ace, ibis, ace, ibis, ace, ibis, ace, ibis, ace, ibis, plural third declension. Next, we are going to do our history. Tell me about the Mexican Revolution. So this song on the app is pretty fast, so I'm going to slow it down just a little bit for us. Are you ready? Circa 1910, the Mexican Revolution. Pancho Villa and Emiliano Zapata fought the Federalists for land and liberty, for land and liberty. Great job. All right, next we are going to do our English, and that is what is a linking verb. So we're going to be talking about linking verbs over the next several weeks, and today we're starting with the definition of a linking verb. And we're singing that to the tune, The Ants Go Marching On and On. You ready? A linking verb makes an assertion by joining two words. That's all for now, but we will add to it in the coming weeks. Next, we're going to do our geography, and we're talking about the Dominion of Canada. So this week we're going to be doing a chant back and forth, like when I say something, you say something, and then we'll see if we can switch it around and do it backwards. Okay, you ready? When I say Ontario, you say Quebec. Ontario, Quebec. Ontario, Quebec. When I say new, you say Brunswick. New Brunswick. New Brunswick. When I say Nova, you say Scotia. Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. Good, you ready? Think we can flip it? Let's try. When you say Ontario, I'll say Quebec. Ontario. Quebec. Ontario. Quebec. When you say new, I'll say Brunswick. Brunswick, Brunswick. When you say Nova, I'll say Scotia. Nova, Scotia, Nova, Scotia. Great job. That was harder for me than it should have been. So last but not least, let's do our timeline. We are moving from the Progressive Era from last week all the way through the Great Depression and the New Deal. Are you ready? The Progressive Era, Australia becomes a commonwealth. Mexican Revolution, World War I and President Wilson. Lenin and the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. U.S. evangelist Billy Graham. Modern period of the arts, the Great Depression, and the New Deal. And that's all for this week, friends. I'm so proud of you guys. You're doing a great job, and I can't wait to see you. But until then, have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.